What's up, everyone? We're gonna be making Would You Eat This? Paella today. Let's get it. We're gonna start off by prepping our seafood and veggies. Get yourself a sharp knife, very important. Cut through the backside of the shrimp and take out the poo-poo stuff, you know. I don't think it's poo-poo. Is it poo-poo? I hope it's not. Take it off, rinse it with the water and a little bit of salt. It makes the smell go away too. Very important. Squid, cut it into a piece like, calamari size, like how you see in the restaurant. Repeat this process until all the squid is cut off. Next step, mussels. Before we move on, let's listen to the worst ASMR. Oh yeah. Open up, they're frozen. Still the white ice thing. If you want to wash it off, go ahead, but I prefer not to, because it says farm raised and it's already been washed. Prepare your garlic, slice it. You don't really have to use your fancy knife skills. If you have like a blender or like a chopping machine, use them so you can make a good garlic paste. And for the onion, same thing. Try to make it convenient. I do it for the video and try to flex with my knife skills, you know what I'm saying? Hey. I'm sorry. After we chop up all the onions, we're gonna move on to our canned tomato. If you find a whole tomato can, use them. I think the flavor is better and it has a sweet taste to it. Use the blender, blend it up if you want a smooth, good sauce. If you want it chunky, I don't think you really have to blend them. Next step, get your pan ready. Olive oil into the pan. Don't use extra virgin. I only had extra virgin, so I used it, but the light taste is better. Garlic and onion, let them fragrant. A little bit of salt, it intensifies the flavor. If you want to, add in parsley and red pepper flakes. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then add in your seafood. Then we will add in our white wine. It will add flavor as well and gets rid of the fishy smell. Then we will simmer for 5 minutes with the lid on.
2,000 years later.
After 5 minutes, we're gonna immediately take all the seafood out because you don't want to overcook it. The texture will be rubber. You don't want that. Add in your tomato sauce into the pan with the tomato paste, some paprika, saffron, and saffron seasoning. It's my opinion. I think it tastes better with it. Mix the seasoning very well. We're gonna add in our rice. Use bomba rice if you have it. I couldn't find it, so I'm using this arbolio. Short grain, Spanish rice, or bomba rice is the right choice. Put the rice in with a little bit of stock or water to cover it, and bay leaves. Medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Rice should be 80% done. Add in your seafood back in with some little bit of lemon, optional. And all you gotta do is cook it until it's all the way done and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.